Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth analyses of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of grooming with what I believe to be the best electric shaver with beard trimmer available, the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 5000. Let's get into it. Now, what sets the Multigroom Series 5000 apart from the rest? Well, let me tell you, it's all about versatility and performance. This bad boy isn't just a beard trimmer, it's a total grooming powerhouse. With 18 different pieces included, you've got everything you need for precise trimming and styling. Whether it's your face, head, body, or even those more intimate areas. But what makes the Multigroom Series 5000 stand out is its stainless steel self-sharpening blades. That's right. No more worrying about dull blades or messy blade oil. These blades stay sharp as day one, ensuring long-lasting performance and precise trimming every time. And let's talk about that battery life. With a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, you'll get up to 3 hours of runtime on a single charge. That means more grooming and less time spent waiting for your trimmer to recharge. Plus, the battery light indicator lets you know when it's time to juice up, so you're never caught off guard. Whether you're tackling your beard, nose, eyebrows, sideburns, or even your body, the Multigroom Series 5000 has got you covered. And with its fully washable design, cleaning and maintenance are a breeze. Just rinse it under running water and you're good to go. So there you have it, folks. The Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 5000, the ultimate grooming tool for the modern man. With its versatility, performance, and long-lasting durability, it's no wonder why this trimmer is a top choice for men everywhere. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy grooming!